Okay, so how do we handle some of the insider threats in terms of security?
Right. So I think insider threats is a very interesting topic because there are models and things that you can actually use to predict some of those things, but largely they are very hard to find, because that essentially means that either you have some unauthorized user or access who has their privileges elevated, or there is some sort of malicious insider user that essentially has access to data and they somehow export it out, right? So insider threat is generally a very vast domain that happens within security. In terms of specifically cloud native security, what cloud native security helps you is, again, right, it provides you the tools to mitigate some of those things. For example, you can set up the right access, identity and access management, follow the principle of least privilege, right, where only people who have access to data only have access to data what they are supposed to access, right? And then you can also establish, like, for example, parameters around services, right? For example, this data from this storage bucket can only go to XYZ destination. So even if someone has infiltrated in there, they cannot exfiltrate data out of that domain because there are guardrails around it. So that's where cloud native security gives you the tools to implement some of these controls, but insider threats will still happen, and you need to have a robust incident management, detection and response strategy to deal with those.